Now, in this lecture, we will study the one application of IC741. IC741 as a comparator. IC741 is an operational amplifier, op-amp. So, op-amp can be used as a comparator. So, IC741 as a comparator. So, what is comparator? So, comparator means it is nothing but an operational amplifier. It has two inputs, inverting input and non-inverting input. So the comparator circuit compares the input voltage applied to one input of op-amp with the reference voltage which is applied to another input of op-amp. So comparator compares the input voltage with the reference voltage, and according to that it provides output. So this comparator compares the two input voltages. One input voltage applied to one input with the reference voltage applied to another input of op-amp. So this is nothing but comparator. So this comparator, there are two types of comparators, voltage comparators. There are two types. One is a inverting type comparator and another is non-inverting type comparator. In inverting comparator, the inputs voltage which is to be compared, the input voltage which is to be compared with reference voltage. This input voltage is given to the inverting terminal of op-amp, and a reference voltage is applied to non-inverting terminal of op-amp. Okay, so in case of inverting type comparator, the input voltage VIN is applied to inverting terminal and a reference voltage is applied to non-inverting terminal. Okay. Now there is another type of comparator called as non-inverting type comparator. So in non-inverting type comparator, the input voltage is given to non-inverting terminal and a reference voltage is given to the inverting terminal. This is called as non-inverting comparator. Again, there are two types of comparators, zero reference comparator and non-zero reference comparator. So in zero reference comparator, the reference voltage is zero. In zero reference comparator, the reference voltage is zero, and this the input voltage is compared with the 0 volt. Input voltage is compared with 0 volt. So this is called as zero reference comparator. Means one terminal of op-amp is connected to ground. One terminal of op-amp is connected to ground. So this is so the reference voltage is 0 volt because one terminal is directly connected to ground. So the reference voltage is 0 volt. Okay, and in non-zero reference comparator, the fixed voltage is given to one input of op-amp. So this fixed voltage is called as reference voltage, and the input voltage is compared with that fixed voltage called as reference voltage. The input voltage is compared with the reference voltage. So this is a non-zero reference comparator. Now here this is the circuit diagram of inverting type comparator, because the input voltage is given to inverting terminal. So this is the inverting type comparator and it is a non-zero reference comparator. This is a non-zero reference comparator because a fixed voltage 5 volt is given to the non-inverting terminal. So this is a inverting type comparator and it is a non-zero reference comparator because a fixed voltage 5 volt is connected to non-inverting terminal. So it is a non-zero reference comparator. See here, now the in case of inverting type comparator, what is the condition? In case of inverting type comparator, if the input voltage VIN is slightly less than reference voltage, If VIN is less than the reference voltage, then the comparator produce high output. Then this comparator produce high output plus V or plus V sat, that is positively saturated output, positive saturation. Okay, so it gives positively saturated output voltage when the VIN is slightly less than reference voltage. Here the reference voltage is 5 volt. So if the input voltage VIN is suppose 4.9 volt, then also the output of the comparator is positively saturated, that is plus 10 volt, plus 10 volt. But if the input voltage VIN is greater than the reference voltage, suppose 6 volt, if the input voltage is 6 volt, then this comparator will produce low output, that is minus V, or low output, that is minus 10 volt, or negatively saturated output, that is minus 10 volt. Okay. If the input voltage is slightly less than 5 volt or a reference voltage 5 volt, if the input voltage is less than reference voltage, if the input voltage is less than reference voltage, the comparator, this is the inverting type comparator, so it will produce positively saturated output, that is plus 10 volt. But if the input voltage VIN is greater than the reference voltage, suppose 6 volt, it is greater than 5 volt. So if the input voltage is greater than reference voltage, then this comparator produce low output or negatively saturated output, that is minus 10 volt. Okay, so this is about comparator. Now this is the another circuit. Here also IC 741 is used as a comparator. Comparator is nothing but it is a high gain amplifier. There is no feedback between pin number 2 and pin number 6. There is no feedback resistance. So it is a high gain amplifier, or it is an open loop gain amplifier. Therefore it produces high output, maximum positive or maximum negative output voltage. Okay. Now see the another circuit here. Here LDR is used, and it is also a inverting type comparator. Here the reference voltage is 5 volt, because there are two resistors connected in series, and both R1 and R2 are same value resistors, 10 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm. Therefore voltage across each resistors will be 5 volt. Voltage across R1 5 volt, voltage across R2 is also 5 volt. So reference voltage is 5 volt. There is a LDR here. So when light is incident on LDR, the resistance of LDR decreases, and therefore the voltage across LDR also decreases, and it will be less than 5 volt. So when a light is incident on LDR, the voltage across the LDR is less than 5 volt. So as this is an inverting type comparator, it produces high output, and therefore the transistor is turned on and the relay energizes. In dark condition of LDR, the resistance of LDR is very high. Therefore the voltage across the LDR is greater than 5 volt. 5 volt is the reference voltage. So voltage across the LDR is greater than 5 volt. So this comparator produces low output or negatively saturated. Therefore the transistor is cut off and relay is off. Okay. In this way the IC 741 is used as a comparator. So comparator compares the voltage across LDR with the reference voltage 5 volt. Here 10K and 10K resistors are in series. So this is a voltage divider, and this voltage divider produces a reference voltage 5 volt. Because voltage across R2 is 5 volt. Supply voltage is 10 volt. So voltage across R1 will be 5 volt. Voltage across R2 will be 5 volt. So the reference voltage is 5 volt, and input is given to inverting terminal. Therefore it is an inverting type comparator. When light is incident on LDR, resistance decreases. So voltage across LDR also decreases. It will be less than 5 volt. So the comparator's output is high. Transistor is transistor turns on and the relay energizes, or relay is switched on. In dark condition of LDR, resistance of LDR is very high, and therefore voltage across LDR is greater than 5 volt. So it is greater than the reference voltage. Voltage across LDR means VIN is greater than 5 volt. So the comparator produces low output. So transistor is cut off, and therefore transistor is cut off and relay will be in the off condition. Okay, so this is the working of comparator circuit. So we will stop here.